Have you ever heard that there is something fascinating about how wrought iron and aluminium have become the go-to materials for outdoor furniture in Brazil? I can't help but admire the way these metals are used to create stunning and durable pieces that can withstand the country's diverse climate. One of the reasons wrought iron remains a favorite in Brazil is its timeless appeal. There is something inherently elegant about the way wrought iron furniture is crafted, often featuring intricate scrollwork, floral motifs, and artistic flourishes that make even the most practical pieces feel like works of art. I've seen wrought iron benches in Brazilian gardens that look like they belong in a historic European palace with their ornate curves and detailed craftsmanship. But at the same time, they fit perfectly in a casual outdoor cafe setting, blending durability with beauty. Durability is another major factor. Brazil's climate varies widely from region to region, and outdoor furniture needs to be able to handle everything from heavy rain and humidity to intense sun and occasional dust storms. Wrought iron, when properly treated with rust-resistant coatings, stand up to the elements incredibly well. I've noticed that many Brazilian furniture makers use powder coating on wrought iron furniture, which helps prevent rust and ensures that the pieces last for years with minimal maintenance. Then there is aluminium, which has taken outdoor furniture to a whole new level. While wrought iron brings a classic, almost vintage charm, aluminium is the champion of lightweight practicality. I've noticed that many Brazilian outdoor spaces, especially in urban apartments with balconies, favor aluminium furniture because it's easy to move around. Unlike wrought iron, which can be quite heavy, aluminium chairs, tables, and lounges are designed for convenience. You can rearrange them effortlessly, making them perfect for dynamic outdoor spaces where flexibility is key. One of the most fascinating aspects of aluminium furniture in Brazil is the way it's often designed to mimic the look of wrought iron. I've seen aluminium pieces that have been expertly crafted to include the same detailed curves and elegant patterns you'll expect from traditional wrought iron, but with the added benefit of being much lighter. It's a clever fusion of aesthetics and functionality, allowing homeowners to get the best of both worlds. Aluminium also has the advantage of being naturally rust resistant, which is a huge plus for coastal regions. Brazil has an extensive coastline, and in places like Rio de Janeiro, the salty air can be harsh on outdoor furniture. This is where aluminium truly shines. Unlike wrought iron, which requires a protective finish to prevent rust, aluminium naturally resists corrosion. This makes it an ideal choice for beachfront properties where maintaining outdoor furniture can otherwise be a challenge. Another trend I've noticed in Brazil's outdoor furniture scene is the blending of materials. It's not uncommon to see wrought iron or aluminum frames paired with wooden or rattan seating elements. The combination creates a beautiful contrast. Steady metal frames providing stability, while wooden or woven fibers add a touch of warmth and comfort. I've seen dining sets where aluminum chairs have wooden armrests, giving them a more organic feel, or wrought iron benches with cushioned seats for extra comfort. Customization is also a big part of why Brazilians love wrought iron and aluminum furniture. I've seen so many pieces that have been tailored to specific tastes, whether it's a garden gate with an intricate family crest or a patio table with laser cut detailing that reflects local Brazilian art. It's amazing to see how craftsmen are able to take these metals and turn them into something deeply personal. This level of customization allows homeowners to make their outdoor spaces truly unique, adding character to their gardens, balconies, and patios. There is also an undeniable cultural influence behind Brazil's love for metal outdoor furniture. Wrought iron has strong ties to colonial architecture, and you can see its presence in historical cities like Ouro Preto, where beautiful wrought iron balconies line the street. The appreciation for this type of craftsmanship has been carried forward into modern design, blending tradition with contemporary needs. On the other hand, aluminium represents innovation and practicality, fitting perfectly into Brazil's growing urban landscape where modern aesthetics are highly valued. One thing that really stands out is how metal furniture fits seamlessly into Brazil's lifestyle. Outdoor gatherings are a big part of Brazilian culture, whether it's a family barbecue, a casual gathering with friends, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee on a balcony. The furniture people choose need to support this way of life. Comfortable, durable, and aesthetically pleasing. I've seen wrought iron dining sets that turn patios into elegant dining areas and aluminium lounge chairs that make poolside relaxation even better. Another fascinating aspect is how sustainability plays a role in the preference for metal outdoor furniture. Aluminium, in particular, is highly recyclable, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Given the growing awareness around sustainability, many Brazilians appreciate the fact that aluminium furniture can be repurposed and reused without losing its quality. Even wrought iron, despite its heavier nature, is often reclaimed or refurbished, extending its lifespan and reducing waste. In terms of maintenance, both wrought iron and aluminium have their own advantages. Wrought iron requires a bit more upkeep to prevent rust, but a fresh coat of paint or sealant every few years keep it looking as good as new. Aluminium, being naturally resistant to corrosion, is even easier to maintain. Just a quick wipe down every now and then is usually enough. This ease of care is another reason why these materials are so popular, especially for those who want stylish outdoor furniture without the hassle of constant maintenance. When it comes to design trends, I've noticed that contemporary Brazilian homes are increasingly incorporating minimalist aluminum furniture with clean lines and neutral colors. Matte black and charcoal gray finishes are particularly popular, giving a sleek and modern look to patios and terraces. Meanwhile, wrought iron continues to be favored in more traditional settings, often with intricate details and antique style finishes that evoke a sense of history. I've also seen some really creative uses of metal in multifunctional outdoor furniture. Foldable aluminum tables, wrought iron benches with built-in storage and extendable dining sets that can accommodate large gatherings are just a few examples of how practical and stylish these materials can be. It's incredible to see how Brazilian designers are pushing the boundaries of what metal furniture can do, making it more adaptable to different outdoor spaces. It's easy to see why wrought iron and aluminium are so beloved in Brazil's outdoor furniture scene. They strike the perfect balance between durability, style, and practicality. As an enthusiast, I find it fascinating to see how these metals continue to evolve in design, proving that great outdoor furniture isn't just about function, it's about enhancing the experience of outdoor living itself. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.